I want to earn more money, want to reduce the cost in your industry. Now I am gonna tell you one secret how to you can earn money, how to can you production line increase in your industry. Now our company that produce the an innovation machine. This machine name is Ultrasonic welding machine. Before introduce this machine, I am gonna tell you what's the difference between pressure welding terminal and ultrasonic welding terminal. This is pressure welding terminal. Look at this pressure line in the squeeze the connection. This is the ultrasonic welding terminal. Look at this, a square hexagonal and into the surface. When you use the pressure welding terminal, current when will increase, temperature will increase, resistance will be increased, so it's too dangerous for your industry. But when you will use our this terminal, ultrasonic welding terminal, when current will high, temperature will high, then resistance will be not increased. This is zero resistance. Look at this is the mode. So if you want to use another mode also, you can change. This is we especially input from Japan. Lifetime is you can use this terminal 2 million times. After 2 million times you can just change it. It's okay. You can use others. The machine output power is 4000 watt. Welding line is 2 to 20 square. This is our ultrasonic electric box. Look at this skin. This is English version of Chinese version. A lot of variants we have. From here you can collect the real time, the terminal. Any damage, we take the find out the damage product one. Machine ensure the accuracy is fully automatic. Frequency, the welding time. Find out the product is there any damage or not. So you don't need to worry about the our machine is 100% guarantee we can give you. So if you want this machine, this can save your money, save your labor cost 30%. So our ultrasonic welding machine give you the 100% quality food. Don't need to worry about your quality. We are more than 30 years experience producing this machine, our industry. So you don't need to worry about the quality. So if you want to increase the production line, increase the order, please try to contact with us, then quickly grab the machine. Okay, that's all for today. Then we'll meet another video. Bye bye.